Today, I am reviewing the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When building or buying a mid-range gaming desktop, finding a machine that seamlessly balances processing efficiency with real-world graphical horsepower can feel like navigating an absolute minefield of compromises. Far too often, pre-built configurations skimp on the power supply, pack the chassis with computational bloatware, or pair an advanced processor with an outdated graphics card architecture. Fortunately, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC effortlessly avoids all of those common industry pitfalls. By uniting the cutting-edge AMD Ryzen 78700F processor with the formidable next-generation Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card, this system creates an exceptionally balanced, responsive, and forward-looking mid-range gaming powerhouse. After putting this machine through an exhaustive gauntlet of modern AAA gaming titles, competitive esports matches, and heavy content creation workflows, it has proven itself to be a truly outstanding, uncompromising option for players who want immediate, out-of-the-box dominance, without the typical setup headaches. The computational backbone of this rig is the impressive AMD Ryzen 78700F processor. Built on the highly efficient Zen 4 architecture, this processor features 8 physical cores and 16 processing threads capable of hitting a blistering maximum boost clock speed of up to 5 GHz. In everyday practical testing, this hardware layout delivers phenomenal multitasking versatility. Whether you are running CPU-heavy simulation games, streaming your multiplayer gameplay directly to online platforms at high bit rates, or rendering high-definition video projects, the 8700F handles it effortlessly without breaking a sweat. It maintains exceptionally stable frame pacing, ensuring that background operating system tasks never cause your active game to stutter or hitch during high-action sequences. Graphics performance is where the Q5 Pro truly establishes its competitive edge, thanks to the inclusion of the next-generation Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card equipped with 8 GB of dedicated video memory. Testing this machine at 1440p resolution across a variety of demanding modern titles yields thoroughly impressive results. Fast-paced environmental movements stay crisp, input reactions feel completely instantaneous, and complex visual effects are handled with incredible ease. Thanks to the architectural advancements of Nvidia's latest GPU series, you gain access to highly optimized ray tracing capabilities and advanced AI-driven upscaling technologies. This allows you to experience stunning, photorealistic lighting and reflections in cinematic games while maintaining smooth, high-refresh frame rates that keep your competitive matches fluid and entirely under your control. Supporting this high-performance core hardware configuration is a robust foundation consisting of 16 GB of high-speed random access memory and a massive 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive. The inclusion of an NVMe drive completely redefines the overall user experience by virtually eliminating tedious operating system boot times and shrinking prolonged game loading screens down to mere seconds. Moving large game files or asset libraries happens almost instantly, while 16 GB of RAM is perfectly adequate for running current AAA titles and standard background apps simultaneously. The underlying motherboard platform offers an excellent, straightforward upgrade path for users who may want to expand their memory capacity down the road for even heavier creative multitasking workloads. Aesthetics and build quality have clearly been given immense consideration in the design of the Q5 Pro chassis. Before you even press the power button, the tower makes a striking impression in any room or office setup. It features a stunning, full-view tempered glass side panel that gives you an unobstructed view of the clean interior cable management and core components. Airflow is managed exceptionally well by 3 strategically positioned, glowing RGB cooling fans. These fans do not just look incredible by adding a vibrant, customizable wash of color to your desk space, they also serve a vital thermal function. They pull cool air through the chassis efficiently, keeping the hardware temperatures low and preventing thermal throttling, all while remaining remarkably quiet even during extended, multi-hour gaming marathons. The software configuration is another major victory for user convenience. The system arrives pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, and BEASTCOM deserves massive praise for delivering a clean, streamlined software environment right out of the box. There is no frustrating third-party bloatware, no unnecessary trial software eating up CPU cycles, and absolutely no complex configuration drama required. You simply connect the power cord, hook up your display, log in, and you are immediately ready to download your game library and get straight to the action. Wireless connectivity is handled via integrated Wi-Fi 5, providing a highly stable, cable-free connection for downloading updates and playing online without needing to run long cables through your home. Ultimately, this desktop represents a highly successful fusion of next-generation processing speed, forward-looking graphical capability, and premium visual design. It avoids the compromises of traditional pre-built systems by delivering clean software, reliable cooling, and balanced specifications that cater beautifully to both competitive gamers and digital creators alike. For anyone looking to invest in a powerful, beautiful, and completely hassle-free desktop setup built for modern performance, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro is an absolute triumph that earns a highly enthusiastic recommendation.